Meaning of immune deficiency.
Immune deficiency.
Immune deficiency.
Immune deficiency.
Immune deficiency. Immune deficiency is a condition where the immune system of an individual is unable to function properly. This can be caused by genetic factors, certain medical treatments, or infections such as HIV. As a result, the affected person is more susceptible to infections and illnesses which they are unable to fight off effectively. Without proper treatment, immune deficiency can lead to serious and potentially life-threatening consequences, as the body is unable to defend itself against harmful pathogens. Therefore, it is important for individuals with immune deficiencies to seek medical attention and receive appropriate treatment to maintain their health.